guys, what's up? It's Lindsay again, and today I decided to do, I was watching YouTube and I was like watching like these like whatever inspired makeup tutorials, and I was like, oh, that looks really fun to like figure out like how that character or person does their makeup. Do like Veronica Lodge from Riverdale inspired makeup. Camila Mendez plays her, but it's gonna be like from the show, like how they do her makeup on the show. Her most common makeup look. So yeah, if you're new here, my name's Lindsay. I'd love for you to subscribe, and yeah, let's just get into the video. I'll start with the eyebrows. So her eyebrows are kind of like a similar shape to mine, which is kind of lucky. Like they go this, and then I'll insert a picture, but Camila's eyebrows are like in and rounded here, so maybe I'll round them out, and it looks like they fill them in quite a bit here. And since my hair is like pretty dark brown, but I have blonde in it obviously. Her eyebrows are a bit darker than mine, so I'm gonna go with my Brow Artist Expert by L'Oreal. Yeah, so it's just like this pencil with a spoolie, and then, but I'm just gonna outline my eyebrows to see where I want to fill it in more. Warm it up. No, this looks really bad. I just drew a line because I was looking at hers. I just don't want to make my eyebrows look like brick brows, but I'm gonna try my best to round them a bit. But okay, we're gonna alright. This looks so stupid. My milkshake brings all the boys to the yard, and they're like, it's better than yours. The front, it's too thick there because mine are like squared, but she has them filled in all the way there. So it kind of looks weird, but if I fill them in any more, it would look like I have brick brows. I don't think I can make it any more rounded, but I am going to fill them in a bit more. Okay, that's better. But her eyebrows are very filled in. Her eyebrows are just very dark, and mine are kind of, like, I don't like mine that dark, so this is hard. I'm just going to take my NYX concealer palette and just use this shade. Right. It's better than yours, I can teach you, but I have to charge my emotion. I'm just gonna blend that out with my finger so it looks natural-er. Yeah, that looks fine. I'm gonna take my Great Lash clear whatever and just set them in place. First, it seems like she has a lot of blush on because it looks pinker than like just bronzer, but like there's bronzer there for sure. So I'm gonna take NYX pore filler just to smooth out my skin. Brings all the boys to the yard, and they're like, it's better than yours. Damn right, it's better than yours, I can teach you. I'm going to take my concealer and conceal my pimples. Okay, but for foundation, my favorite at the moment, literally, this is my favorite foundation, the Wet n Wild Photo Focus. It just makes your skin look even. That's like my main goal when I do my makeup. Take my beauty blender and put this on my skin on my face. You wanted the thing that makes me just blend that bitch out. Need to blend that into my neck too. And it looks like her face is very matte. Like, not matte, but she's not shiny, definitely not. So I'm gonna take my NYX matte bronzer in medium. This looks like that. This doesn't look like her contour is very carved out. It kind of just looks like it's brushed on. The guys go crazy for, they lose their minds. Just do my chin. Our forehead's a bit darker. I feel like we kind of have a similar face because her face is more round and mine is definitely round. Okay, so the contour is done. It doesn't look like her nose is too contoured. Her nose looks a bit more slopey than mine and smaller for sure. Contour that a bit and just take this fluffy brush. Start with the line there. It's a bit thinner. And that's it. See, you can definitely see it's, I'm just kidding. This looks horrible. It literally looks like I got a bad sunburn. Okay, there, it looks a bit more slopey that way. but her blush is very rosy pink. A little Benefit palette California blush right there because it's like a nice bright pink without too much shimmer. Put a good amount on because you can definitely see she's wearing blush, but she does have that much on. Like, I'm not overdoing it, I don't think. From what I can see, I don't know, everyone can have different opinions. So I think that's good. I'm just going to add a little bit of highlight, not like glowing like to the gods as I usually like to do. This little palette by Benefit, and take the cream, really, cream What's Up highlighter. That's kind of funny. What's up? It's cream, so I can just take it on my finger and put it where I want. But she has like a nice glow to her cheeks, so I'm just gonna bring that down. Did I overdo it? No, but she has like a nice glow to her face. So I'm just gonna do it on my nose a bit, just to make that pop, and her eyebrows, just to make those pop as well. Okay, for her eyes, she definitely has eyeliner on. Eyeshadow is very subtle, but it's there for sure. It looks like she just has like a nice brown in the crease, like very subtly in the crease. Just gonna prime my eyes. I'm gonna take my Naked One palette, use Buck in my crease to start off. Start right in the crease. You don't want to do too much. Okay, that looks way better. I'm gonna take a flat brush, put the first one right here, Virgin. It's kind of like a shimmery shade, but not overly shimmery. That like all over my lid. I'm gonna take this darker one, Hustle, right there, and just put it like very slightly in my crease. Like very slightly up here. Because I don't have a big crease, and her eyes are kind of like in her brow bone, and mine are just kind of like, I don't even know the different eye shapes, but it's there. And then she definitely has eyeliner on. Draw a very thin line with a little wing. Like, she literally has the smallest wing at the end. So I did a very subtle wing on either side. I'm going to take this Maybelline Eye Studio gel eyeliner and go over that, because mine was not very dark. Okay, so yeah, she definitely has, yeah, she doesn't have much going on the lower lash line. Not much mascara down there either. It's going to take Juviant's mascara, and she has pretty long eyelashes, it looks like. Actually, I'm gonna curl them, so I'm gonna wait for my eyeliner to dry. I'm going to add some eyeliner to my tight line. Okay, that's not working. That's really not working. Take more gel eyeliner and add that. So it looks like her eyes are just very lined and dark. Alright, okay, that looks really ugly. Where are we at? Oh my god, I've been filming for 32 minutes. Okay. The tiniest bit on my bottom lashes, because my bottom eyelashes are so long, they always end up making it look like I cried. Alright, and then lips is last. I'm excited. So there are the eyes. Very nice, very subtle. Not subtle, but defined at the top for sure. And for lips, she always seems to be rocking like this darker pink kind of color. It's gonna be good enough for me. This is the final Veronica Lodge inspired makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed. It was fun to recreate. I'm Lindsay. If you're new here, I'd love you to subscribe. Yeah, I just had a lot of fun doing this, and I want to do a Betty Cooper one because Riverdale is like my favorite show. Yeah, that's the final look, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like. That would mean a lot, and subscribe because that would mean way more. And I'll see you in my next video. please stick around. That would be amazing. See you guys later. Bye.